7 to 19 December, Montreal welcomes you for COP15, the UN Biodiversity Conference. Hosted by Canada and under the presidency of the Government of China, delegates from across the world will come to Montreal to agree on an ambitious global plan that will reset our relationship with nature. If we continue business as usual, biodiversity is at risk. If we keep destroying biodiversity, our lives and well-being are at risk. The clock is ticking. It is time to agree on the global plan to protect nature and ensure sustainability and equity. To learn more, visit cbd.int/COP15.